Alright, how's it going everyone? Good to be back. Dylan here. I'm your host of Make Money Fast. Guys, I know you're thinking, like, Dylan, why can't you get a little bit better dressed for these videos? Guys, I just woke up, alright? I'm hungry to start my day. I didn't have time to put on a suit. I don't know about you guys, but when you're hungry about something and, you're really passionate about what you want to do. Guys, I work from home. I can wear whatever I want. I can edit videos in my bed if I want. Take control of your life, guys. If you don't like driving to work every day, start a company from your home and try to transition to that. Work nights when you get home from your 9-to-5 job. Start working nights. Start blogging every night. Anyways, guys, that's just what I just wanted to tell you guys before I complete this video. Anyways, this video is probably gonna get a lot of hate. This video is. I don't want to tell you for everyone to go out and do this, but this is I don't know how I want to phrase this because I don't want to get sued by anybody. Guys, if you want to know a secret way to get free Starbucks every day, this is what I'm going to tell you. And I don't want you guys to take advantage of this simple trick, but why not, guys? Okay, so I'm just going to let you in on how Starbucks gives out free drinks. So one of Starbucks' policies is that if you don't like the drink, they'll remake a new one for you, right? So if, say you order a white mocha, and they accidentally use dark mocha, or whatever, dark chocolate mocha, and you'll take it back and say, hey, I ordered a white mocha, and this is clearly a dark chocolate mocha. And they'll be like, hey, welcome to Starbucks. Yes, definitely, I will be glad to remake your drink. So what you want to do, guys, what I've been doing, is I'll go get a drink from a Starbucks. There's Starbucks everywhere. So I'll get a drink at one Starbucks. So you have to pay for one drink. And then you can finish that drink. Once you're done with that drink, go back the next day to a different Starbucks and tell them, hey, go up really innocent, be like, hey, I'm really sorry, this is really awkward, but I got a drink. I just came from another Starbucks and I didn't drink it until I was on my way down, but I wanted to stop here because basically they made the drink wrong and it tastes really bad. And even though the drink's from the day ago, they're just gonna take your word for it and they'll be like, oh, definitely I'll remake your drink for you. So I've done this with coffees, and guys, I don't do this every single day just because I tend to make my own coffee. But yeah, if they make a drink and it doesn't taste that good, I'll definitely go ask them to make a new one, even if it's the next day. Starbucks, they don't make good drinks every single time. Like, it's kind of a hit or miss. So, yeah, guys, that's the secret way. I don't know if that makes any sense. If you have any questions down below, I know a lot of people make these videos on how to get free Starbucks. That's just how I do it. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Free Starbucks every single day if you want. What is it, $5 a drink, $5 a day? That's $150. You're saving every single month, guys. What's 150 times 12? Quick math, anyone? What is that? 1,000. That's like $11,000 a year. Might be wrong on that, but yeah, that's like $11,000 a year that you could be saving. No, I don't think that's right. What is it? $150 a month? No, $1,000. Not 11,000. I was like, no one spends $11,000 on Starbucks. You're gonna save around $1,000 a year, guys. That's a good investment. Guys, check out the links down below. You can get a free stock if you sign up for Robinhood. $40 credit on Airbnb. Bunch of different referrals. Become a Lyft driver. Why not? Up a couple $100 sign-on bonus. Anyways, guys, hope you're having a great day. I know I am. Got my free coffee here. Not my free Starbucks. Free coffee here. And go out and get a free Starbucks if you want. On me. All right. Take care, guys. Peace.